Samsung is finally expanding one of its most requested health features by bringing blood pressure monitoring to its Galaxy Watch lineup. And this move shows how serious the company is about turning its smartwatches into powerful wellness tools. The feature, already available in some countries for years, is now rolling out more broadly, including regions like the United States. However, it's not as simple as just tapping a button on your watch. Users still need to calibrate the system using a traditional blood pressure cuff, and this calibration must be repeated regularly, typically every 28 days, to maintain accuracy. In terms of real-world usability, this makes the feature feel more like a companion tool rather than a standalone medical solution. Samsung uses pulse wave analysis through the watch's sensors to estimate blood pressure after calibration, which is clever but not perfect. Accuracy can vary depending on how well the watch is worn and how recently it was calibrated. Because of this, Samsung clearly positions the feature as a wellness tool instead of a medical-grade device, meaning it's useful for tracking trends over time but should not replace professional medical equipment. One of the biggest advantages is convenience. Once calibrated, users can quickly check their blood pressure without needing a cuff every time, making it easier to monitor daily changes and stay aware of their health. Samsung is also planning to improve this experience further by introducing passive tracking features that show long-term trends, which could make the data more meaningful and actionable. Overall, this update is a strong step forward for Samsung's wearable ecosystem. It brings the Galaxy Watch closer to being a complete health companion, alongside features like heart rate monitoring, ECG, and body composition tracking. However, the need for regular calibration and the lack of medical certification mean it still falls short of being a fully reliable diagnostic tool. For everyday users, it's a helpful feature for awareness and lifestyle tracking, but for serious health concerns, traditional medical devices remain essential.